Hi folks, Russ here from ProSteamUK. We're at the showroom of Simply Carpets and Flooring, who are based in Camberley, and today the showroom is closed to the public, and we have removed most of the movable pieces of furniture from the showroom to allow us access to the floor. And what we're going to do is we're going to completely strip this floor and we're going to reseal it. On certain areas we are actually going to repair the flooring. As you can see here, we do have some nasty scratches where furniture has been dragged across the floor. We are going to repair those scratches. Okay, very costly to remove this type of tile and replace it with new tile. Okay, very time consuming. Obviously there's the cost of the materials and everything and that. So what we're going to do, we're going to try and make this floor look like new again. Okay, for a fraction of the price of replacing. All right, so again, on this part of the floor we do have some nasty scratches. So right now what we're actually doing is we are deep scrubbing the floor using a stripper to remove the existing seal that was put down about a year ago. Okay, just to give you an idea of how it looks once it's been stripped and dried. There you go. So the floor basically should be very dull. The scrubbing will actually take down some of those edges on the scratches, making them less noticeable, which will mean that the next step of repairing those scratches will be made easier. Okay, so all the piping between the tiles is very white and bright now, which is exactly what we want. And this stripper here has been carefully applied and allowed to dwell to soften the seal that's currently on this part of the floor. And then we use this machine here to scrub, and then we extract the seal that was on that surface, leaving a tile completely bare and ready to be either repaired or resealed. There you go. Let's come back to this in a bit and see how it looks then. Hi folks, I'm back again, and we've completed the strip and reseal of this floor here at Simply Carpets and Flooring, who are based in Camberley in Surrey. We do this service for these guys every year. We come in and we completely strip the floor and we put a new seal down, and I have to say the floor looks amazing. It always looks great once we've done it, and I'm sure they're going to be very happy with this. So let's have a look around the shop and have a look at those problem areas that we saw at the beginning of the video. Amtico and Karndean require the very best protection possible. So Simply Carpets and Flooring, who are based in Camberley, have chosen ProSteamUK to provide a strip, clean and reseal service for their shop, and I think you will agree that it does look really nice. And if you remember how this part of the floor looked, well, you can hardly see those scratches now, because the product we've used on this particular part of the floor has actually filled those scratches and repaired the wear layer. And the same on this part of the floor. It was looking really dull and scratchy, especially in this area here. And again, the sealer has filled those scratches, and it's given the floor a new lease of life. It really has. So if you're thinking about replacing your flooring, think again, because you may not need to. Okay. The product we have used here really does look great on this floor. It's not a glossy finish. As a rule, we will never make expensive floors look cheap, and we will not use glossy finishes on floors. The product we use will achieve a kind of a satin matte finish. Okay. Now, once the sealer has been applied, it needs 24 hours to fully cure, and then it's going to offer anything up to 12 months protection. Okay, so there you go, look at that. Very important, because Park Street Interiors are in Camberley. They're very busy, and people will walk through their showroom into this showroom, and we do get a lot of traffic walking down this part of the showroom, the hallway there, and so it's important that a product is applied to this floor to keep it as good looking as possible. There you go. Anyway, if you are interested in having your Amtico Karndean flooring cleaned, resealed or repaired, contact ProSteamUK today on 01252 319 391 or visit us at www.prosteamuk.com.